YouTubers today, May 30th at 6:39 p.m. here in Oregon. Some disclosed location somewhere down the street from Walmart. Actually, 15 minutes, 20 minutes away from Walmart. And it's hot. So I am gonna unveil the AC. Oh yes, see the AC in all its glory. Oh yeah, look at those dials. Off, fan, cool, air vent, and when you're hot, you put on hold on. When you're hot, you put on, right? Super right there, yes. So do the honors on myself. I will. Dun 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 dun. And I will plug it in. Oh yes. People of America, you hear that? It's the sound of summer. Thank you and good night.